Do you always say, "I'm hungry," when you're ready to eat? It's a correct phrase, of course. But what about those times when you're not just a little hungry, but you're so hungry you could eat anything? How do you express that feeling in English? Many learners only know the basic word hungry, but when you're really, really hungry, you want to use a stronger word. You want to express your feelings more dramatically, just like you would in your first language. Have you ever wanted to express that you're really hungry, not just a little bit hungry? Chapter 1. A powerful word for a powerful feeling. When native speakers are ready to eat right now, they often say, "I'm starving." The word starving comes from the word starve, which means to suffer or die from lack of food. But in everyday conversation, it's a fun and exaggerated way to say that you're extremely hungry. It's a great way to add some emotion to your words. Think of it like saying, "I'm so hungry I could die." It's not a serious statement. It's a way to express how intense your hunger is. Chapter 2. How to use "I'm starving." Let's practice using this expression in different situations. Imagine you're meeting a friend for lunch and you're running late. You can say, "I'm so late and I'm starving. Let's eat right away." Or, after a long day at work, you get home and you're completely exhausted and hungry. You can say, "I just finished work. I'm completely starving." You can also use it in a conversation with a friend. For example, Friend A, "What do you want to do first?" You, "I'm starving. Can we grab some food before we do anything else?" You can also add other words to make it even more dramatic. For example, you can say, "I'm completely starving," or "I'm absolutely starving." The best way to make this phrase your own is to use it. The next time you feel really hungry, go to the mirror and say, "I'm starving." Chapter 3. Beyond the basics. The difference between basic English and fluent English often lies in the details. Don't just say, "I'm hungry." Learn to express how hungry you are. Using a word like starving makes your English sound more natural and alive. Language truly comes to life when you can express your feelings fully. The next time you feel really hungry, what will you say?